Welcome to this tutorial on creating equal width buttons in WordPress, a process that will take just about 5 minutes. Begin by navigating to your WordPress site using your preferred web browser. Once you are on the site, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on the login option allows you to access your WordPress account, ensuring that you can make the necessary changes to your website. After clicking login, you will be presented with several methods to authenticate, including logging in with your Google account. Select the configuration labeled Continue with Google and choose the appropriate account from the list provided. This method streamlines the login process, allowing you to quickly gain access to your site without the need for additional credentials. Now that you are logged in, the next step is to locate the Quick Link section on your dashboard. Within this section, you will find the option called Edit Site. By clicking on Edit Site, you will enter the WordPress site editor, where you can customize various aspects of your website. This interface is designed to help you manage the design and functionality of your pages with ease. Within the editor, direct your attention to the plus icon positioned at the top left corner of the interface. This icon serves as your gateway to adding new elements to your page. When you click on this icon, you open up a list of elements available for insertion. To efficiently locate the button element, simply type the word button into the search field provided in the panel. This action filters the list and presents you with the option for buttons. Once the button element is visible, click on it to add it to your live page. You now have the basic button in place, but further customization is necessary to ensure it fits seamlessly with your site's overall design. To adjust the settings of this button, shift your attention to the right settings panel, located in the top right corner of the editor. This panel hosts a variety of design controls that affect the appearance and behavior of the element you have selected. Scroll through the settings panel until you come upon the width section. Here, you are given the opportunity to modify the width of the button. Adjusting the width is an important step because it allows you to make the button dynamic and ensures it aligns with other elements on your page. Choose the correct percentage value to achieve equal width buttons across your design. By setting the appropriate percentage, you ensure that your button is responsive and maintains its proportion regardless of screen size. This detailed process not only customizes the appearance of a button, but also contributes to a more balanced and professional layout on your website. By carefully following these instructions, you will have successfully created an equal width button that enhances both the usability and aesthetic appeal of your WordPress site. Enjoy exploring further customization options within the WordPress editor to continue personalizing your online presence.